Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the call audio routing on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now this allows you to set the routing to another device like a headset or the speakers instead of just the speakers up here. So in order to change the setting, all you're going to do is go into your setting on your iPhone. From there on, you're going to look for accessibility. And then scroll down a little bit further under physical and motor. There's a section for touch, so tap on touch, and then scroll a little bit further down to the section that says call audio routing. If I tap on it, by default it's going to be automatic, which determines where the audio will be heard. But if you wanted to change it to a Bluetooth headset that you're using, you can select this option, or the speaker, you can select those options as well. And then along with that is the option to auto answer calls if you wanted it to automatically answer calls. So if you have a Bluetooth or speaker device that you want to auto answer whenever you're getting a call, you can turn that on, and you can give it how long you can wait until the auto answer is activated if you don't pick up. And again, additional setting, but this is how you can do it if you wanted to change the call audio routing on your iPhone. That's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.